20 hammers are fixing my head. And when I open up, there's the landlord. He wants money for the rent. Otherwise, starting tomorrow, I sleep in a tent. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800 pounds for the dent. He goes flat. And I go, oh my God, what is that? I feel like crying. I'm just renting, not buying. I wish I spent money. I wish I shed money. And from my nose, please, some coins when I sneeze. I wish I would turn it into a money sneezing man. I thought about it quite well. I really need something to sell. My teeth, a kidney, a lung, an eyeball, my liver, or maybe my tongue. But no one buys my spare parts, baby, that's for sure. So next month, at 7 o'clock, it's back on my door. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800 pounds for a dingy red hole. I'd better dig and leave as a mole. I feel like whipping all my wages for sleeping. I wish I spent money. I wish I shed money. And from my nose, please, some coins when I sleep. Oh dear. Oh dear. No coins, no nothing. I thought I was turning into a money sneezing man, but no, into a money spitting man. But no, into a money shitting man. I don't think I'm gonna try this here, but no. We're huckle single and mingle finger, huckle buckle single and mingle. Where am I going to sleep from now? Where am I going to sleep from now on? Hey Louis Armstrong, take a trumpet, make my day brighter.
Alright, baby, I gotta brighten up your day. I gotta listen to my trumpet. I'm playing for you right now.